Welcome back to Jute Decor. If you love cozy, rustic holiday style, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're transforming your kitchen into a warm farmhouse-inspired Christmas haven filled with charming DIY touches and festive details. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start with the foundation, your color palette. A classic farmhouse Christmas look shines with neutral tones like cream, white, and beige, paired with warm wood accents and pops of red or evergreen. This timeless blend instantly brings a cozy, homey feel to your kitchen. Next, bring in natural textures. Think jute, burlap, linen, and rustic wood. You can layer these materials through table runners, placemats, or even DIY wreaths made with twigs and pinecones. These organic elements add depth and warmth to your holiday space. For your countertops, keep it simple yet festive. A small arrangement of cedar branches in a vintage milk jug, or a wooden tray filled with candles and cinnamon sticks, can make a huge difference without overwhelming your workspace. Add charm to your shelves and open cabinets with subtle Christmas decor. Arrange white ceramic pitchers, enamelware, and glass jars filled with candy canes or dried oranges. Layer them with garlands of faux pine or berries for a touch of whimsy. Don't forget your windows. Drape them with simple gingham or plaid curtains and hang small wreaths tied with burlap ribbon. When sunlight filters through, your kitchen will glow with holiday cheer. Now, let's talk about the centerpiece, your kitchen table. Create a DIY farmhouse-style centerpiece using reclaimed wood as a base, adorned with mason jars, holly sprigs, and flickering LED candles. It's elegant, affordable, and perfectly festive. Want a touch of nostalgia? Hang vintage-inspired ornaments from cabinet handles or place mini Christmas trees in galvanized buckets. These small details add a heartwarming country charm to every corner. Lighting makes all the difference. Swap out harsh white bulbs for soft warm tones, and add string lights above cabinets or around window frames. The gentle glow will create that cozy farmhouse magic everyone loves. Incorporate scents of the season. Place bowls of dried oranges, cloves, and cinnamon sticks around the room, or simmer a pot of apple cider on the stove. Your kitchen will smell as festive as it looks. For a DIY project, try creating your own rustic wall art. Use reclaimed wood or old cutting boards, and stencil in festive words like joy, Noel, or farm fresh Christmas. It's an easy way to personalize your decor. Don't overlook your kitchen island or bar area. Add a cozy touch with a plaid throw blanket draped over a stool and a tray of hot cocoa essentials. It's perfect for entertaining guests during the holiday season. Finish the look with a touch of greenery. A garland of pine branches along the cabinets or a vase of eucalyptus on the counter adds that fresh, natural farmhouse vibe, simple, elegant, and oh so Christmassy. And there you have it, your kitchen transformed into a stunning farmhouse Christmas dream. Remember to subscribe to Daija Decor for more cozy seasonal inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you love these ideas, and share your favorite DIY in the comments below. Wishing you a warm, rustic, and magical holiday season.